Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to copy text format with one click on Microsoft PowerPoint. So on this slide right here, you can see I have two different text format and I want to change these two text into this format. So what you need to do with just one click is that you just can click on this text and then click on the format painter at the left top left of your Microsoft Point, so the broom icon in here, and then drag the format painter to this text like this, and it will be changed automatically following the text format in here. And you can do the same with the other one. You can just click on that and then drag it. Oops, just like that. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next following videos. Thank you.